Guys, if I spin this fidget spinner on this Chucky doll's hand for 5 seconds, you guys have to smash the like button. Dear guys, let's do this. 3, 2, 1, let's do this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Boom, now you guys have to smash the like button.
Wanna join my free gift cards giveaway? Subscribe to my channel, like the video and turn notifications on. And finally, tell me on the comment section that you subscribe.
Hey, and let's go, welcome back to another brand new video, another day, another banger. Because on tonight's video, we have a really creepy video, alright guys? So guys, on tonight's video, we are gonna bring Chucky back to life at 3 AM and see what happens, guys, alright? Yo, I know this is going to be so insane. For those who don't know who's Chucky, this is Chucky, alright guys? And if this video gets enough likes, if this video gets 10,000 likes, I will try to bring back his wife and kid back to life as well, alright guys? It's going to be so creepy. So guys, again, on tonight's video, we are going to be bring back Chucky to life at 3 AM and see what happens, guys, alright? For those who don't know what happens at 3 AM, it's time for all the evils and spirits come to earth, guys, and it's their time to do anything they want. That's why we are gonna try to bring this Chucky back to life. Like, he might talk, alright guys, and he might walk. It's going to be insane. We are gonna see what happens, alright? But before this video starts, you guys know what to do. Boom, go follow me on both our social medias, guys. It is all on screen right now. So follow me on there for a chance to get shout out on every video, guys. Like this. Boom, reason Instagram shout out. Boom, reason Snapchat shout out. Again, guys, follow me on there for a chance to get shout out on every video, guys. And go number right now, smash that like button, subscribe to my channel if you're new, and turn on post notification to be on notification squad, alright guys? So again guys, on tonight's video, we are gonna try to bring Chucky back to life at 3 AM in the morning. But before this video starts, you know what time it is? Alright guys, so now let's stop messing around and look at the time. Look at the time, guys, it is 3:10 AM right now. Alright guys, so for this to work, first we need 4 candles, alright guys? Come on, I'm just gonna set up the candles right down here. We need 4 candles, alright? Come on. Come on. Alright, the second candle. It is really dangerous, alright? Do not try it at home. Alright, come on. The last candle, guys. We got 4 candles ready. Let me get the camera. Alright guys, as you guys can see, I got 4 candles ready right over here, alright guys? Yo, this is going to be creepy. Come on, and now I just need to place the Chucky doll in the middle like this, alright guys? Oh my god, and its hands should be down. Yo, this is going to be a creepy one. Come on, let me put the candles a little far. Perfect, guys, look at this. Oh my god, Chucky doll is ready to be raised. Oh my god, just look at the candles, guys. This is gonna be really insane. I need you guys to go down right now and smash the like button and let me know who do you like the most, alright guys? Let me know if you guys like the Chucky or his wife, alright guys? Yo, come on, I think it's time to raise him up. Alright, come on guys, we just have to say some words so it rises up, so alright guys, and I hope it works. First you need to tap it on the chest for 3 times. 1, 2, 3. Alright, now the spirit words. Spirits of the dolls, rise up. 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 Yo guys, the candles are going off. Spirits of the dolls, rise up. 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 Yo! Guys, it moved! Rise up. Spirits of the dolls, rise up. Spirits of the dolls, rise up. Rise up. Spirits of the dolls, rise up. Spirits of the dolls, rise up. Spirits of the dolls, yo, what's going on? Spirits of the dolls, rise up. Spirits of the dolls, rise up. Yo, what's going on, guys? Oh my god. Yo, spirits of the dolls, rise up. Spirits of the dolls, rise up. Spirits of the dolls. Yo, guys, this is going crazy. Yo, what's going on here? Oh my god, I think it's actually working. Yo, I don't know if you guys can hear me or not. This is really creepy, guys. Spirit. What did just happen? Where is Chucky? Why are the candles off? You guys, I think it actually worked. Did I actually raise Chucky? Where can he be now? Yo, stop! Stop it, I see you! How is this even possible? Guys, I just saw a giant Chucky and he just turned into this small Chucky? How is this even possible, guys? The giant Chucky just turned into this. Wait, there is no way. How is this even possible, guys? Oh my god, no, I'm done with this thing. You guys, I'm just gonna end the video right over here, right guys? If you guys wanna see me bring his wife to real life, give this video 10,000 likes, alright guys? So guys, I'm just gonna end the video right over here. Make sure to get the big thumbs up if you enjoyed, subscribe if you're new, and turn on post notification to be on notification squad, guys. And I'll see you guys on the next video.